Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Zenless Zone Zero stuck at checking resource integrity. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of 5 steps. The first step is to use the dedicated GPU. To do this, go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select browse. Go to this PC, local disk C, program files, Epic Games, Zenless Zone Zero. Find the games folder, Zenless Zone Zero game folder. Click on the Zenless Zone Zero.exe application and select add. After adding the game, select options and select high performance over here and select save. After that, just close stuff here. The second step is to update your graphics card. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After that, just to close stuff here. The third step is to disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. Some antivirus program or firewall may block the game from checking resources. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. You just need to select change settings. Select allow another app and select browse. You just need to go to this PC, C drive, program files, Epic Games, Zenless Zone Zero games folder, Zenless Zero, Zenless Zone Zero.exe and select open it. Select add. After adding the game, you just need to check mark private and public, both of it over here, and after that click on OK to save changes. The fourth step is to verify game files. To do this, open the Hoyo Play launcher and click on this 3 line and select repair now and select start repair. It started downloading the missing resources. Let's move on to the fifth step, guys. Fifth step is to run the exe file as administrator. To do this, click on this 3 slash and select game settings and select open directory. And now you just need to right click on the Zenless Zone Zero.exe and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to wait for till this done. After getting done, you just need to open the game using this exe file direct in the game location. You just need to double click on it and run the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.